Good afternoon, my dear students. In the previous class, we have discussed a part of multiple alleles, like definition of multiple alleles, gene polymorphism with example, characters of multiple alleles, then blood transfusion, followed by the antigens and antibodies definition, then genotypes of ABO blood group, then in blood group universal donor and universal recipient blood groups. And in today's class we will discuss about the inheritance of A, B, AB and O blood groups. Inheritance. Of A, B, AB and O blood groups. So, group A parents, group A parents are of two types, that is those with A progeny and those with A and O progeny. Group A parents are of two types, those with A progeny and those with A and group O progeny. Similarly, group B parents are also of two types, that is those with B progeny and those with B or O progeny. Those with B progeny and those with B or O progeny. And the offsprings of group AB parents, either A or B or AB, either A or B or AB. That is about group AB parents. And group O, which is always offsprings O only, because it is a recessive one. Offsprings of O parents are always O only. From this, group A parents with A and A or O progeny, group B parents B and B or O progeny, group AB parents either A, B or AB, group O parents are always O progeny, O group O progeny only. And from these facts, it is clear that group A individuals, from these parents, it is clear that group A individuals have two genotypes. Group A parents having two genotypes. Homozygous for A, that is I raised to A, I raised to A, and another genotype is heterozygous for A. Homozygous for A, and another one is heterozygous for A, that is I raised to A, I raised to O. Its representation. And similarly, in case of B parents, their genotype is also 2, I raised to B homozygous for B and heterozygous for B, I raised to B, I raised to O. But the genotypes of AB parents, which is codominant, and that is represented by I raised to A, I raised to B. That is represented by I raised to A, I raised to B. And group O, which is always recessive, which is represented by I raised to O, I raised to O, or in small letter I. I think you got the point. Group A parents, those with A progeny, A and O progeny. Group B parents, those with B progeny, B and O progeny. Group AB parents are of having the offsprings AB or AB. Group O parents are always having the offsprings O only. From this, the genotypes of these groups. Group A, I raised to A, I raised to A, I raised to A, I raised to O. Homozygous for A, heterozygous for A. Group B, I raised to B, I raised to B, I raised to B, I raised to O. Homozygous for B, heterozygous for B. And AB, I raised to A, I raised to B, which is codominant, and O is always recessive. I raised to O, I raised to O, or in small letters, I raised to I only. So these are the genotypes of these blood groups. By knowing the offsprings of the parents A, B, AB and O. So by this, and also by taking the blood group of parents, we can predict the possible blood group of their children. We can predict the possible blood group of their children. I will show you one by one here. Let us consider the blood group of both the parents. One of the parents' blood group is O. Another parent's blood group is also O. One of the parents' blood group is O. Another parent's blood group is also O. So first you are going to take their genotypes. O heterozygous